Hi guys, welcome back to James Locs and Braids, the home of locks and beauty. I'm back again with another videos tutorial on instant lock. She asked it to be colored, so there's it. After colored, I'm just going to section the hair and start the interlocking process. Okay, guys. I'm doing this video very short, so just pay attention to this if you can. I'm sectioning it and I just apply a gel because of the back. I usually don't use gel, okay? So I'm just going to interlock it from the four different angles. Don't forget, this is the first process for starting instant lock. You can actually use a comb coils also if you want, but that doesn't stay longer, okay? So I use the interlocking. This is how far we've come. This is it. The difference between comb coils and interlocking is that interlocking stay longer and neater, but comb coils from the beginning it look neat, but after some time it just unravel, most especially if the hair is not natural, okay? Like I said, I section the hair and use my thumb to twist it. After twisting, I just use the crochet pin to pass it from the different angles in and out, okay, like that, in and out. Do not pass it on same angle twice, okay? It can lead to bumps in the future. So after that, I'm just going to go straight to the crochet process, which is the main part of the lock. And guys, I want to use this opportunity to thank you all my viewers, my subscribers. Thank you. And if you are coming across my video for the very first time, do not hesitate to subscribe. Hit the notification button so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because my channel is all about locks and braids, okay? And don't forget to drop your comment below and tell me how you feel or which way you prefer. So I'm just going to start the crochet process by using the pin. I prefer using the 3 mouth pin. It's more faster for me. It depends on you. You can use 1 or 2, because when I started Locs, I started with 1, and now I'm loving the 3 mouth pin. The 3 mouth pin have a disadvantage. If you're not careful, you're just going to give you a mark on your hand to injure you, like, because this process you have to crochet tumble in and out like that. You pull it in and out just like you are knitting your clothes, knitting your dress, okay? And now this is another way I like flipping it up, because it's more easier and faster for me than just using the flat crochet method all through. It's weakening my ankles and my fingers, so I like the flipping up like this. Is easier, faster. It's easy for my thumb to roll in on the excessive hair faster. So after that, I'll just use my thumb, my 2 thumbs, to roll it. That's the last of it. And when you crochet it, don't hesitate to go back and do it the second time, just to secure the excessive hair, to make it more stiffer. Yeah, this is the finished part, the thumb rolling. And also doing the same. I'm showing you the second method some people use for a straight hair like this. For a starter, for it to be easy for you to pick, so you just backcomb it to make the hair more stiffer, look more natural and strong, like easy to crochet. It will be fast for you. But I'm not using this method because she wants all her length retain. When you back comb it, it becomes very short. Yeah, it becomes short, so I don't want to. So I'm just going to comb it out again and do the straight part. But that is very easy way for starters, easy way, and it's faster than this because this is straight. It doesn't have much volume like the back comb, or it's not stiff. It's just like a relaxed hair. Yeah, the same as relaxed hair is weakened. So that's why some people back comb before they start the crochet process. But I'm trying to retain the length of her hair since she wanted that way, so I'm doing it. But the advantage of back combing is when you back comb, it's not only making it short, but it make it lock faster. It make your locks stick together faster than the straight method process. This kids started playing with my camera again. Okay, the end you just have to fold it because it's not a natural hair and they have so much loose end, so that's why I fold it in before crocheting the end. And make sure you add more force towards the end when you're crocheting the tip. So I just apply the same method all through. Like I said, I like flipping my locks up and start the crochet process because it's more easier and faster for me than just holding it straight. This Locs actually takes me 6 good hours to complete it, unlike the usual logs I usually do for people that takes me 3 to 4 hours. Because these I have to color it at first, color the tip, wash it, blow dry it, and come back. And she also have kids, I have kids, they want to eat, you want to feed them, she want to breastfeed, all those stuff. That's why it takes longer. But she love the end, the finish anyway. Like the back part, I have to recolor it, the middle, because the color didn't come out the way she wants. So we added other color after the lock. Okay, this is what I do to the end. Just the same as back combing, I use my hand to drag it down because of the loose end. If you crochet it that way, it will lose before a week. So I drag it down like back combing so it gets stiff together and crochet it. So the ends will have a good finishing. It will look round instead of a pencil out. See, that's the finishing of the logs. I'm through with it. I'm just going to apply my castor oil to the scalp and massage it, and add a spray to it. Yeah, my spray gel for a strong hold. This is not actually I don't know, this is like they call it. It's good, very good on locks and also braids. It gives a strong hold. This is the finished look, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up and leave a comment below. We are all learning every day. Your opinion matters. Thanks for watching.